These videos made me pause and say, wait, what?
This looks like nature's strangest Uber ride, heli-logging.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, there's something oddly satisfying and oddly heroic about this. One clogged drain can flood a whole street, but clear it and thousands of liters vanish in seconds. No spotlight, no applause, just one guy keeping the city moving.
Water spinach, yes, it really stacks like this. Weirdly enough, watching it get sliced is oddly satisfying. It almost feels like farming turned into ASMR.
Ever wondered what that dark vein is? It's the shrimp's digestive tract, basically its last meal. Bet you can't unsee it now. A London artist types paintings with letters, punctuation, symbols, more than 1 million keystrokes. Yet it looks like old-school painting in ink. All I can do in a typewriter is one straight line. This lion looks off. This is Sweden's famous guesswork lion, made by taxidermists who'd never seen a real one. Nice lion? Standing at the top of Chimborazo feels like walking on clouds, but it's snow and ice catching the sunrise, turning the mountain into a sky of its own. Now I seriously want cloud boots. I'd never trust mirrors again. This tattoo bends reality.